Life as a man is exceptionally difficult. I say the most beautiful and the most terrifying thing about being a man is you're born without value. Society doesn't care about you. You're only going to be cared about based on how useful you are. You have the chance to build yourself up and become a superhero if you're prepared to do the hard work and be indefatigable enough to never quit. But if you're going to stand around and wait for a handout, nobody's going to ever respect you. And I think that a lot of people have forgotten about how difficult and how competitive it is as a man. We're always in constant competition with each other. And it's your duty as a man to stand up and say, I want to be as important and strong and good-hearted and God-fearing as possible. And I need to work hard to achieve those things. And the dangerous thing about overly emotional men is that they're dangerous. They're genuinely dangerous. This is what's crazy. All these people who talk about toxic masculinity and how bad it is for men to be traditionally masculine. A traditionally masculine man does things he doesn't feel like doing because it is his duty to do that. He charges into the building because it is his duty. Not because he feels like it, because it is his duty. We're now teaching the new generation of men that they don't have duty and they can just act on their feelings and act how they feel, and they don't have to act as a man should. Do you know what happens when you get men who just act how they feel? You get school shooters, you get violence. Men who do not control their emotions are dangerous. If you find a man who is stoic, he's not going to hurt people. He's going to sit and think about his actions very carefully, and he's going to be a good man who protects and provides for his family. You find a man who just acts out on impulse and does whatever he feels like, you're going to find a dangerous man. Sitting here telling men to cry more and act with their feelings and it's okay to feel this way, that way, etc., and have no self-control. That is why we have the problems we have in the world. Absolutely not wrong. So when they talk about toxic masculinity, they have it completely inverse on its head, completely not wrong. We need to be teaching stoicism. We need to be teaching young men to understand that the world is very, very difficult. It's hard to be a man. You're going to feel bad sometimes. You just suck it up and perform anyway. Not to sit there and cry your eyes out or blame other people. And when bad things happen, they call traditionally masculine men. If you need a firefighter, you need a masculine man. When you call the police because of a problem you had, you want masculine men. And as soon as a woman or a man is in trouble, when you look for backup, you look for masculine men. And masculine men have a duty to provide and protect those they care about. We have a duty to do things we don't feel like doing because we know we're supposed to do them. And that's why we stayed in the Titanic and died. The real problem with the world is that there's an epidemic of cowardice, man. Men are cowards. We have an epidemic of cowardice. Everybody is so afraid. It's on the other side of fear that you're going to garner the respect of other individuals. You have to do things that they're afraid to do, meaning most likely you are also afraid. I've done a bunch of shit. I was afraid 87 times before I got in the ring and cage. It's scary, right? I lived a scary life. But by going through all of that, I am now respected. You have to learn to face your fear. I'm not saying not be afraid, because that's not brave. If you do something you're not afraid, you're not brave. You have to be afraid and do it anyway. That's what courage is. So I'm not saying you can be as scared as you want, but you still have to go. We're living inside of a video game. Because in a video game, you're going to go through trial and tribulation. You're going to struggle to upgrade your character. And the reason you upgrade your character is when you get more stats, you can complete more difficult levels within the game. Life is exactly the same. The levels never end, but as you become better, you stand a better chance of completing them. So as you upgrade your character, you get further and further in the game, but the game never ends. That's the beauty of being a man. All these men are out here complaining that things are difficult. The reason it has value is because it's difficult. If it was easy, everyone would have it, and it wouldn't have any value. Complain that it's hard to get a Lambo. The reason having a Lambo is cool is because nobody has a Lambo. How are you to complain that it's hard to be the man, but then also understand that being the man has value? They are linked. You cannot separate the two. It's a logic fail. If you love the fact, if you love the idea of being that character you dream of yourself to be, then you should love the fact it's hard to become that man, because it means no one else can do it. There's no light without dark. You will not appreciate your six-pack unless you didn't have one and you had to earn it. That's how the world works. So when I talk to these dudes like, oh, but it's, you know what, Tate, yeah, I agree, but you know, it's hard. Of course it is, it's supposed to be. And if you're not cut out for it, then go off and live a normal existence and die. Sit there, letting other men enjoy the spoils of being a man, and die. If that's what you want to do, is just sit there and exist, and then be fade into history unremembered. That's your decision. If you want to level up your character, then you need to get out here and do it. You need to be around brave men. You need to get some balls. You need to get your network together. You need to do the truth. Humble yourself. Stop sitting there with an ego. Realize you ain't you're nothing but lucky. Bacteria could have stole your eyesight at the age of 3, and it didn't. You could have been in a car crash and lost both your parents. Never happened. You've been nothing but lucky. Blind luck has given you a favorable hand, and you managed to f*** it up. They are trying to convince you that you should act how you feel. You should show more of your feelings. If you feel this way, you should show it. If you want to cry, cry. Look, I have no problem with guys crying. Sometimes guys cry, right? My dad died, I cried. I've cried once in 10 years, but it's not a default emotion for me. Sometimes you cry, right? But what I'm saying is the reason they're trying to bring out emotionality in you is because most of the time you don't feel like doing the things you're supposed to do. But the true masculine frame throughout history was doing the things they didn't want to do, but they knew they had to do because they had honor and duty. That's what honor and duty means. Do you think the men on the Titanic wanted to stay on the Titanic? No, we're men. We have to stay. We're scared, but we must. It's our duty to let the women and children on the lifeboats. This is masculine duty. When you remove self-control from men, you get not only do you get emasculated weak men, but what you also get is very dangerous men. Because the world at large is trying to tell you, just be more in touch with your feelings and everything's going to be fine. Men also have an innate desire, one, for conquest, and two, we have a biological response. We are very predispositioned to anger. You look at all these school shooters and these are men who can't control their emotions. That's all they are.
Facts.
They have no self-control. And then they go and do dangerous. A good man controls himself. I have absolute self-control. If I decide to smash your face in, it was a very conscious decision. Nothing to do with the fact I was angry. You understand? Emotional control is absolutely and utterly important as a man. Now, I'm not saying become a stoic dork, have no personality, be a boring. I'm not saying that. I'm saying that you need to understand as a man, there are certain principles under which you act, regardless of how you feel.
Bam.
I can wake up in a terrible mood. I can wake up sad. I can ache. I can have a busy day, stressed, etc. I will complete the same tasks as if I woke up in a fantastic mood. I'll do the same things because how I feel has no bearing on the things I'm going to do with my day because I have duty to myself and to my bloodline. So a lot of you guys out here are acting like fools because you feel like acting like fools. And what I'm going to say to you is, because you think there's something wrong with you, you go, I lack motivation. You hear this one? I don't have the motivation to go to the gym. Well, here's the newsflash. Neither did I. And I still did it. So now what are you going to say? Now you have no excuse, right? Oh, you're scared to get in the ring. So was I. I still did it. Scared to get in the cage. So was I. I still did it. Being a man is about not feeling things. It's about acting the way you're supposed to act, regardless of how you feel. And I'm tired of hearing guys message about how they feel. I don't feel motivated. I don't feel. Feel. Leave the feelings to the girls, right? That's what they do. We act. We're men of action. We get things done. So the world got built. All of it. All the men who built the skyscrapers felt scared and did it anyway. You need to become a man of action. Stop worrying about how you feel and start worrying about what you're supposed to be doing.
You have a series of emotions you live with regularly, don't you? Those emotions can be bliss, passion, joy, faith, but they could also be worry, stress, depression, frustration, concern. And because you've done it over and over again, even though you know they don't serve you, you will find a way on a very regular basis to get those damn emotions. The quality of your emotions is going to be the quality of your life.
The Bible says in 1 Corinthians, we are unspiritual when we're under the control of ordinary impulses. And that's the way so many people are today. They just let their feelings run their lives. If they feel like telling somebody off, they just tell them off. They feel like being depressed, and they go around all depressed. But friends, we cannot just act on these emotional impulses and expect to have any kind of victory in our lives. Feelings can get us into trouble. And throughout life, you're going to have plenty of opportunities to lose your temper. You're going to get up some mornings and feel like being depressed. At times you'll get caught in traffic and feel like being impatient, feel like getting upset. But we've got to learn how to follow wisdom and do what we know is right and not just follow our feelings around. I can feel my emotions rising, but I made a decision not to get on board. Just because you can feel those emotions doesn't mean you have to get on board. When you feel like saying something that you know you shouldn't say, well, don't get on board. If things aren't going your way and you kind of feel like being discouraged, no, you've got to learn to discipline the negative feelings and keep a good attitude anyway. It's when we do the hard things in life, that's when God is developing our character. Somebody offends us and we just don't let it bother us. We just take the high road. That's when we're really maturing. But the problem today is too many people are not willing to pay the price to walk in victory. They don't want to be inconvenienced. They just want to take the easy way out. The easiest thing to do is to just let our flesh have its way. If you want to grow up and experience God's best, it's going to take some hard work. It's hard to keep a good attitude and be patient when nothing's going your way. Sometimes it's going to make us uncomfortable. But I read where there are two kinds of pain in life. One is the pain of discipline. The other is the pain of regret. And if we live a lazy, undisciplined life, and we act on these emotional impulses, we're going to make very poor choices that we regret later on. I mean, how many times have we acted on our emotions and said something that we know we shouldn't say, and later on, it ends up hurting us in that relationship? Friends, the pain of discipline is minuscule compared to the pain of regret. No discipline at the time is pleasant, but later on, it's going to bring you a harvest of great things. If you live on that shallow level, of just always letting your flesh have its way, and I can tell you later on, you're going to have some major regrets. If you allow yourself to just go around being upset, and impatient, and stressed out, later on it's going to catch up to you. Later on it's going to affect your health. If you just are loose in your morals and you just do whatever you feel like doing, well, it may give you some pleasure at the time, but later on it's going to cost you a very heavy price. See, God will only promote us as high as our character will take us. And God is not going to put you in a position of greater leadership if you are not treating the people in your life right now with respect and honor. If you're being lazy and not being faithful to do what you know you should be doing, then that's going to keep you stagnant. That's going to keep you from growing. If you had a problem with your temper 10 years ago and you have that same exact problem today, I can tell you that's keeping you from God's best. If you would just do your part and grow up a little bit and quit being ruled by your feelings, if you do that, that's when God will begin to increase you. If you're having difficult times today, instead of getting all bent out of shape, you need to see it as an opportunity to grow. God may be trying to do a work in you. If you find yourself always being around people that offend you, and you're always getting your feelings hurt, well, there's a good chance that God is trying to teach you.
All right. So, yeah. Yesterday was good, man. Not for me. I was sick, man. Extremely sick. Take some medicines, go to the doctor. Still doesn't get better, man. Still the same. So the problem is, I think the change of weather has more effect on me as compared to other people's. So if we look at the price action today, oh wow, look at this. So let's see, I think we have 1.5 minutes left for the 4-hour candle to close. Let this candle to close, then we can analyze the charts. First we have to 90 26, yeah, we have 50 pip range, 43 pip range there. So yeah, everything is good, everything should be good. So GJ 370, no, 544, yeah man, now I think, yeah, now it is good. So we have 30 seconds left for the candle to close, then we can analyze the charts. But one thing is sure, this 4-hour candle close below this range, so it means we can go down till this level 1980. So 1 hour is bullish, I think. Yeah, I'm very happy to see 1 hour is bullish because alright, so yeah, 4 hour candle. Look at this. We have one candle, we have two candle, three, four, five. Five consecutive candles close bearish. So we need some sort of retracement. So yeah, this is this is the thing that we get it. So on GJ close, how GJ? Oh wow. Let's see if this candle came down, break the low of this candle. Oh wow. We have to look at the so yeah, yeah man. Alright, so yeah, we need retracement on on every pair, on gold, on GJ, and on gold we are still below this range. We are still below this range. So let's see one thing what I was looking for here. Alright, so yeah, so yeah, yeah, some people can say why we are not looking for buys, man. The answer is same. The answer is same. Yesterday was daily bullish. Today daily is bearish. 4 hour is bearish. So higher time frame is bearish. If we look at this, we came down, came up, retrace, then came down. We closed below this range. Now we can see one more candle that came down. Then we can see a retracement. So yeah. Oh man. So let me take some tea because man let me take this beautiful egg. Now now you can see it. Yeah. So if we look at the GJ, just wait a minute. We will do good analysis, man. This can be a 4 hour topic. So like this. That was a 4 hour topic. After that, if this kind of close below the level, then we can take the trade on this level kind of line. Yeah, then that can be more amazing. Yeah, but let's see what happened there. Yeah, guys, I'm still not free bird. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. If you are on the stream, please leave a like on the stream. That would be amazing, amazing, amazing. So, if we look at on the GJ is pushing up like, man, one, two, three, four, four. This is the fifth candle. So if we take a buy there, so it means we are anticipating for the fifth candle to close bullish. So very tough. I need some sort of a retracement. If we look at the 15 minute, we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now if we take a buy there, it means we are anticipating for the eighth candle to close bullish. So like I always said, market always move like this. It first it go up, then it came down, then it came up. This is the way market moves. So I really want to see uh, bearish candle there. So gold is doing good. So yeah, let's see how we can see this. So if we look at the monthly time frame is same as it was before, like this. Whenever it came to this level, it rejects. Weekly time frame close bullish. We can see this weekly candle close bullish, and now this can be the bottom week of the weekly candle, and it can go up on the weekly time frame, and it can go furthermore. Yeah, it can go furthermore. So if we look at the daily time frame, daily did close bearish. The next candle filled the wick on the daily time frame. So it means if the next candle fill the wick, now we wanna see the trade on the on the daily candle body. So if someone wake up in the Asian session and he took a sell for the daily wick fill, then that is awesome. If we go to the 4-hour time frame, oh man, the one thing I like about is this 4-hour candle close below the range, close below this range. So we have resistance there, we have support there. On the 1-hour time frame, we have same resistance there, and we have same support there. On the 30-minute time frame, we can adjust this a little and we can move this to this level. So if these candles came up, create a support there, then we can take a sell. Yeah, then we can take a sell. Why we can take a sell there? Because then we would have a range like 30 pip range there. No, I think we have this range. Then we have 50 pip range there. So yeah, we can take the trade there. So if we go to the 15-minute time frame, 15-minute time frame, yeah. So yeah, this is a kind of a fake out, but so let's see what happened there. So the thing is, I think, yeah, this can be the top wick of the 4-hour candle. So my buys are I'm looking for some kind of structure to take a buy. Yeah, looking for some structure to take a buy. and sells closure below. Yeah, we have a beautiful range, so if we can get a closure below, then we can take a sell there, or if we can find the resistance there, then we can take a sell there. So GJ is doing nothing. GJ is doing nothing, man. And today also there was interest rate in the morning, so yeah, I think they what oh yeah, they have the same rates. So when alright, so yeah, a press conference can be taken at any time. So yeah, we have Chinese data. Let's see what happened on the Chinese data. 6:30. So yeah, alright, so yeah, that was it. Yeah, there was a trade, man. No, I don't think so. I don't think so. Yeah, there was nothing. Yeah, there was nothing. So yeah, we are in this range. As you can see now, we don't have to rush in the trading. If you think you want to be a successful trader, then you don't have to rush. You have to believe in the process. This is your duty to become a good trader. So if we look at the wow, previous candle closed bearish or bullish, this candle filled this 60 pips weak, man. This is the thing I always said. Weak fill. This is a weak fill. So 4 hour also did close bearish, and if we look at the 4 hour time frame, we have this resistance, we have this resistance. So this is a kind of range. This is a kind of what we say in trading, rejection area. So yeah, this is a kind of a rejection area. If we look at the 1 hour time frame, so we have this range, same. If we look at the 30-minute time frame, we have same range there. Yeah, everything is good. So look at this, why I don't want to take the sell buy there. This is the reason why I don't want to take a buy there. And also there was a, but because I can't anticipate for the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, for the 8th candle to close bullish. I'm not saying it can't close bullish, it can, because market can anything whatever market wanna do, but we have to play on our edge. Every time we have to play on our edge, but my edge says there is a less probability this can close bullish, but there's a higher probability this can close bearish. So I don't want to take a sell there, because this can be the 4 hour bottom wick on the 4 hour time frame, but I need some kind of retracement. When the spots form, I'll go for a buy. So this is our range on the 15-minute time frame. So yeah, let's remove this. This is another range. So there was a beautiful trade on the pound yen below this level. This candle did close bearish. This candle, yeah man, it filled this range 15 pips, and on the news it came up. So yeah, on the news it came up. US30, I'm very easy on the US30. So yeah, we can, man, my throat is like, I don't know what my throat is, but it is not give me permission to speak, but I'm still speaking, man. I'm still speaking. GJ, yeah man, GJ did close bullish. Yeah, gold. Wow, this is the thing I want there. This is the thing I want there, man. I want there. So what I want there is to retest this level, then came back. So create a resistance there, so we can take a sell there. Other than that, I'm looking for nothing. I am looking for nothing. So just wait a minute, man. Wait a minute. So yeah, now you can see the chat box, man. So let's see this. Nothing is going on for now. I know this candle can came down, create a bottom wick, then it came up. So I have no problem to wait for my setup. This candle close. Let's wait for the 30-minute candle to close. Yeah. So this is man, I am about to die, man. But I have one question in my mind. If I die, then where you can learn the trading, man? Where you can learn the real trading? So this is the question I have in my mind for you guys, for you. So let's see what happened with me. Alright, so yeah, on the 15-minute time frame, yeah, this is good. So let me go to the 30-minute time frame, draw a rectangle. Yeah, now everything is good now. So how yours health today? you can imagine after hearing my voice. Health is not good, man. Health is not good. Potential cells close below. and potential buys. Buys not clean. Buys are not clean. So so this is so yeah. I am writing two things here. No trade range and looking for some structure, and also looking for some structure to take a buy or sell. Yeah. St- yeah. Looking for some structure. Yeah, bro. Yeah, man. Thank you, thank you, thank you. If you wanna come onto Zoom, I can create a meeting for you, man. Let me create the meeting because yeah, my health is not like very good. So I think yesterday, today you can speak. Yeah, this is the good idea. Yeah, I'm creating a Zoom meeting, so you can come to the meeting. Participant invite. So yeah, I'm creating a meeting. So let me send you a link. That would be good. That would be good, man. Ali. Brother, come to Zoom. Yeah, sent you a link on Discord. So you can join the link on the Discord. Oh wow. 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 Admit. Oh. Alright.
Hello,
So
bro.
yeah, hello, hello.
How are you?
Not good, man.
हाँ भाई दिख रहे हैं डॉक्टर वगैरह नहीं गए.
Yeah, I go to the doctor yesterday and he gives some medicine. So yeah, I
ये-
take medicine. Like I'll take for the morning. I think after after the stream, I'll take the medicine.
Yeah, man, these days are quite hard. Everyone
Yeah,
is sick in these days.
yeah, because we are living in the hot areas, so whenever winter came, it it put effect on us every time. So yeah, it is it is not like new. This is a thing that happened most of the guys. So yeah.
Yeah, man.
So
Yesterday I also went to the hospital and I saw a couple of people are
yeah,
admitting there due to this cough and sickness.
yeah. So yeah, this is all because of the weather is changing now. So
Yeah, it's a change of weather.
yeah. But the one thing I like about winters is we can stay home for the whole day and we can stream. No one came to home and say, "Hey man, let's play cricket. Let's go to the ground." Because when in winter, everyone is in his or her room. So no one is saying that, "Hey man, go out of home and play some games." So yeah,
You're passionate about cricket, I guess.
man, extremely. I was extremely. Yeah, I I was playing yesterday and I was playing the day before yesterday, and after 2 3 months, and I like I go to the ground last Sunday. The
Yeah.
one
Mm.
Sunday was 2 days before. The Sunday before
Yeah.
that Sunday, so I go to the ground, and the baller that I used to smash him on in every over, and his pace was extremely good for in these
Oh.
days because he's doing practice very very well. So yeah, man, he one ball hit my leg, one ball hit my elbow, one ball hit my like on my body, and I was like, man, what the heck is going on? I was a good batsman, and my body didn't respond very well. So then I challenged him on Friday, and yeah, my body was good. So then
Mm-hmm.
I go to ground Saturday evening. Then I play in the morning yesterday. Yeah, not yesterday, the day before yesterday, like but Sunday, and
Yeah.
I smashed him very bad, man.
I
So
wonder how can you play with this such a sickness?
no, man.
Yeah.
I
That
I don't
there.
care about health.
Yeah.
If there is a if I have a bat in my hand, then I have no problem.
Yeah. That indicates that how much you are passionate about cricket.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I don't care about anything, and I
Mm.
always play cricket for the win, not for the loss. So yeah,
Yeah. You know that's great.
yeah,
You are passionate. You are passionate about one thing. When you choose
yeah.
something,
Whatever
you
I
choose
do,
it to the last.
whatever I do with my 100%. I always give my 100%. It can be you you will be amazed after knowing this. I go to the doctor yesterday evening,
Oh,
and yesterday night I was playing shoot ball. Man,
shoot ball.
shoot ball. It is like volleyball,
Oh.
and in volleyball you have three chances to send your ball to the uh, next team, but in
Yeah.
in shoot ball you have only one chance to throw your ball on the second team, and it is a in size it is a little bit of little as compared to volleyball, but it is very hard. Like if it hit your on the finger,
Mm-hmm.
it can damage your finger. So that is why I
Oh.
like this, because this is a little hard game, and this is why I like this game. So yeah, my friend sent me a message, hey, we have a match and you have to go, and I didn't reply him. Then he messaged me again, hey, why are you not replying me? Then I sent, yeah, okay, all right. um I'll go with you. So then I go and I play. And one more thing, whenever I got sick, if I play cricket, I got better,
Oh.
because
Where's your dopamine,
because
I guess?
because I give 100% in my game. I ran fast. I don't care about my health. When you ran fast, then
Yeah.
you breathe the fresh air, and that helps you to get better soon. So I think this is why if you look at the sportsmen, they all are fit. And
Yeah.
why? Because they have practiced very well.
Yeah. Yeah.
So this is the thing. I think, yeah, why they are. This is the reason why they are fit. So on gold, yeah, yeah, this is breaking the low, but I think it should go first up, then it should break the low. Yesterday was a opportunity for like onion play. I took this trade.
Yeah,
I took this trade.
yesterday was a very clean day. Today is choppy.
No, yeah, yesterday was. I took this trade, but got stopped out at break even. But man, look at this. So and the and on GJ, I think, and then I took the trade. Like there. Yeah, I took the trade there. All right, let me show you on the 30-minute time frame. Look at this 30-minute time frame. We create a spot on the resistance. We create a resistance
Yeah,
on the previous resistance. Also after that, also we did create a low. So
yeah,
we have to retest this low. So I was like, all right. So because I was sick, I just open my laptop. I go with a small lot size. So let me show you this. Where is the trade history? Yeah, I took the trade, got like 17 pips, and then I again sleep. So yeah, but the thing is, I just wanna execute the trade to take my confidence. And one more thing I wanna show you, it was extremely hard trade. Why? Let me tell you one thing. Why? What was that time? That was 3:30. All right, 3:30. So you look at this. I was in like some 3, 4, 5 pips in profit. Then the 1 minute candle came up for like 15 pips.
oh,
And in 1 minute, from the 4, 5 pips in profit, I was down 11, 12 pips. And I was like, man, there is no news. Why gold is pumping up? So,
yeah,
so it was hard yesterday. It but but I didn't move my stop loss to break even because I moved my stop loss to break even in the London session and I got hit at break even. So yeah, I think no, I will not move my stop loss to break even. I will just see if because I always said onion play is my best setup.
oh,
So when my best setup is there, so why I have to move my stop loss to break even?
yeah.
So then then it came further down and yeah.
Yesterday
So
when you took that trade, my trade was at 11:30 a.m. That was
11
a that was a
after this.
clear wick fill. Yeah, it was a clear wick fill, and also its left hand side was very clean till
Oh, you took this
1991.
trade on the Wickfield.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually, you know what? I was looking for this Wickfield.
Oh,
So I, but you know what? What was the problem? The problem was
yeah,
this candle closed 19 pips away from the range.
yeah,
If you watch the market fluidity or SRC, Raja Banks always say if as long as the candles are printing away from the range, there is a high probability the next candle will retest. So
yeah,
the best thing is this candle came up first, then it came down. But the thing is, this candle came down, but it didn't close bullish. So I was a little afraid. I was like, yeah, it may be like whenever candles close like this with weak bodies, it means there is a less volume. So I was
yeah,
like, maybe the next candle came up, create a resistance, then came down. So yeah, I'll close trade there and I'll wait for this setup create a resistance then came down but it didn't happen the next one it came down and I was like no problem man because this is not
yeah,
the thing that happened only one time this is the market and oh wow look at this so this is the reason I like onion play and I know it can easily fill this like 33 pips range but we have to wait because this candle has no top wick. You know what?
Mm.
one day we were looking for cells, and the candle came down without giving us I don't know where were you. We were looking for cells, and I talk you about onion play on the 15-minute time frame, but that was a 15-minute time frame, and the
Yeah.
yesterday that trade I took, that was on the 30-minute time frame. That is why my confidence was good. And yeah,
Yeah, your 330 trade was very clean. I also saw that. But my unfortunate was I wasn't on the chart. When I
yeah.
saw your Instagram story and I was like cursing myself, why didn't I look at the chart?
And
Yeah.
in the evening we have two setups. This is That was the one setup.
Oh,
If we look at the 15-minute time frame, it didn't look clean, but if we look at the 30-minute time frame, that was a clear rejection
yeah.
from the upside. This candle
Yeah.
first came up, then because I was sleeping at the time, I took this trade, then I was sleeping, then I go to the doctor. I think that was the 7:30 move. So
Yeah.
that was the trade, like, man, because we didn't fill this week whole week, so we can anticipate this to fill this whole week.
Yeah. I was watching the trade, but in at 7:30 when I saw that the previous 15 had no
No
bottom
bottom
in,
week,
that's why
yeah.
I hesitated to take the trade. And if that candle closed a weak bullish, I would go like 100% in that setup. But the 15 minutes just put me off.
If this kind of close like a weak bullish, it means this kind of leave the little bit of weak and then came up. Because if this candle has to close
Yeah,
like weak bullish, this candle has to
yeah,
close there, and when this candle has to close there, it this that can be the weak. So yeah,
yeah, yeah,
that can be the best trade. So yeah, but still, that was a little chance, because look at this rejection,
yeah.
and from the
Yeah,
same
that
area.
rejection. Yeah, that rejection was very clean. But
Yeah, but
what's the
but
point of
15
not
minute has
taking
no
our
bottoming.
setup now?
Yeah, 15 minute has
Yeah,
no bottoming. Like this.
yeah,
Let me show you one thing. I took this trade. It stopped me out at 10 pips. This is my second, because I had one account for my live streaming. So that account I wanna grow in front of all of you. So this is the trade. I took second trade. Give my trade a second chance. It came up, but this candle closed with no wick at the bottom, I closed the trade. And look
yeah,
what happened next. So yeah, I hate candles that close with no wick at the bottom, man. I hate candles that close with no wick at the bottom. So yeah,
yeah.
if you look at this, let's see if it plays out one more time on the 15 minute without creating a top wick.
Mhm.
Because onion play, I think the best
Yeah.
onion
But
play.
9:30 but 6:30 salary is my favorite,
6:30. That was a 6:30.
NYSC, NYSC Open.
That was a 6:30 on the
No,
15
that was
minute time.
7. No,
Yeah.
no, I mean that my favorite setup is an salary play on NYSC Open.
All right.
Yeah,
So yeah. That is why you were
yeah,
looking for a bullish candle. Yeah,
yeah,
bullish candle is extra confirmation. Bullish candle
yeah, yeah.
mean extra confirmation.
And Nick also got that buy on but he got it on news. So I was hesitated, like, why is he taking that buy on the news? It was 7 o'clock and news was there. And he just took at the back of the high and it went like 10 pips, 15 pips and secured. And I was like, what the fuck?
All right. So yeah.
Yeah.
But I was at hospital. Oh wow, look at this. I think this can be a good trade on US30. So if this kind of close bullish on the 15-minute time frame, then we'll go in this trade.
Yeah, it's a very high probability. You got clean candles on the left hand side.
Yeah. Also look at the range. We have first reaction after 60, 69, 70 pips. First rejection after 70 pips. You can imagine.
Yeah,
Yeah, when I closed the charts yesterday, I was looking for this buy. Uh, Let me go to the 30-minute time frame. I was looking for this buy with a 25 pip stop loss, and but then it came up.
yeah.
So let's see. GJ is pumping up, man.
No, we can't do much on GG until it retraces a bit.
Yeah, I said it before. I can't anticipate the. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I can't anticipate the 10th straight bullish candles in a row.
Yeah,
There should be a retracement. So there is a resistance there. So yeah, it can retrace from this area on the 30-minute time frame.
yeah.
So
GG is very risky.
yeah, but if it came down, create a sport, man. That can be the best trade of the day.
Yeah, or create a sort of support, or maybe come down to 181,984 and create a fake out to go. Whoa, man, that took very good.
Oh, yeah. On that can be the onion play plus fake out.
Yeah,
And
plus fake
whenever
out.
we see two setups, it means the extra confirmation.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, two setups mean extra confirmation.
Why is Zoom video is off?
Yeah,
Zoom video is off. Can't I see the live stream on Zoom now?
I can't understand.
I'm saying that can't I watch the live stream on Zoom? Your screen, I mean.
No, actually, I changed my settings on the for the stream. So after that, I create the Zoom. I think yesterday, and it was like it did the whole mess up on the on the screen. So then,
Oh,
yeah, because you can see the on the YouTube now, my everything is a change on the I. You know what? I go to the Fiverr and talk someone to I need overlays for my YouTube stream, and he said to me, yeah, I need. Someone said I need 12,000. Someone said I need 14,000. Then I like spent my 2 hours and create the whole overlay for myself.
you did it yourself.
Yeah, man.
Man, that's cool.
Look at this, man. How good it is. And
Yeah,
I think no one can give me that kind of overlay where there is a we have on the top we have like camera section before the below that we have a chat box, and on the top of the line we have Instagram handle, we have Discord name, Twitter handle, we have TikTok handle. On the below we have a monthly record, we have total trades taken. I also had like Usman trading floor on the below, and that was cool, man. And I did
yeah,
everything on my own, and I was like, man, I can. This is the passion, man. This is the passion.
you have worked quite hard over this.
Yeah, that was hard. But the thing is, They were like, what you need, what kind of overlay you need. I was like, I know that they will take my too much energy, and they was like, we will create overlay at once, and you have to take it. We can't we can't edit that overlay after that. So I was like, no man, this is I don't think, because like when I first started to uh, create the overlay,
Uh,
that idea of the trading Instagram, Discord, Twitter, and TikTok handles, that idea came after. So as the ideas came in my mind, I was changing everything according to my, according to my mind. But I can't say people's on Fiverr, hey, change this. I don't like this. They were like, they their answer will be the same. If you don't like this, who cares? Who cares?
yeah,
Because we have received our money.
yeah, that's true.
So yeah, and then I had my like I had I one day I create my, like, what we say, thumbnail. Let me drink some water.
Yeah,
One day I create three four thumbnails for myself, and I was like, I'll change the thumbnails over the time, but one thumbnail was very very good. So I used that thumbnail for the end overlay, and I download 30 motivational videos, and I just, like, you can see, watch on my stream from the beginning, and you can see that whenever the stream starts, first you can see streaming starting soon, every day streaming
mhm,
from Monday to Friday, and from pre-London to London session, everything. So in the between, we have like Usman trading floor, and then so so I keep this, and first day I put some songs when I was testing, and then I decided, I think, then I talked with myself. I said, man, I don't think so. I should have songs on the stream. I think motivational videos can be the best, and also no one can say, man, you are doing the scene, and we have to be careful.
yeah,
So this is why I download like 30 videos, and I said to myself, I'll change every video on every stream, so that after 1.5 months I will repeat one video, can be repeat after the one month and 15 days. So that would be more amazing for me. So yeah, I did that thing.
yeah. That could be good also.
Yeah, and I think
Mm,
motivational video, and I also watch that motivation. That gives us energy, and that gives us motivation. That gives us, that says to me, hey man, if you are not healthy, if you are sick, you have to work. You have to work hard. If you are sick, no problem. If
yeah,
you wanna do something big, you have to you have to give your 100% if you wanna do something big. So
yeah, yeah. That's true.
so this is the thing. So also trading is a process. It is not a quick rich scheme. So this kind of close above the range. So now I think the best thing is we can wait 10 minutes more, And on the 30-minute time frame, that can be the best
Mm.
setup. That will be the 1 hour breakout and 30-minute onion play. And
Yeah,
you can also see one thing: bearish, bullish, bearish, bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish, bearish, bullish. So we can anticipate after seeing this template, we can anticipate that we have a bullish candle. After every bullish candle, we see the bearish candle.
yeah,
After every bullish candle, we see the bearish candle. So after every bullish candle, this thing start from here. Look at this. So yeah, so we can anticipate the next candle to came down.
yeah. I guess someone wants you to analyze the Euro USD chart.
Let me check the comment. Bro, look at Euro USD on 30. Yeah, man, this. All right. So yeah, there is a. I think yesterday kind of closed bullish. Oh wow, yesterday kind of closed bullish. So let me see what's going on the 30-minute time frame. So you need a range to break out. So this is your range. I think it can be different on the 30-minute time frame. I think buys closure above make more sense. How much is this range? 4 pips. So you can look. Let me see. Yeah, this is 12 pips. Let me see. So yeah, if we look at this, previous daily was bullish. So this can be the daily bottom week. So if we take this like this, then this I think 6 pips. This 5 pip range is no trade range for me. If I wanna take the trade on the Euro USD, then this is not the trade range for me. But I I can take the sell below this level for this week to feel like 10 pips, and below this level we have 17 pips more range, and for the buys on the 30-minute time frame. All right, so yeah, on the 30-minute time frame we have this level. If this kind of close like this above the range, just take a buy with a 4 pips stop loss, aiming for 10 pips. 10 pips mean you have a RR of like 1 to 2.5. Yeah, that would be the best trade. If you wanna ask me, you can put your stop loss like 3.5 pip, 3.5 pip stop loss. And the one thing, Ali, I like about Euro USD, stop loss is very very small. Like
yeah,
like 3.5 pip stop loss. One day I took the trade on the 4 hour time frame on Euro USD, and there was a stop loss of 4.7 pips on the 4 hour. And I got 25 pips, and I was like,
Mm.
man, we can take the best RR trade on the Euro USD. If we
Yeah.
go
That's why. Yeah,
if we go with a percentage basis, then like
yeah,
if I had my 1% there in 3.5 pips, if I take 7 pips, it means I
yeah,
made 2%. So this is good.
yeah, yeah. That's why I say that swing trades or maybe higher time frame trades on Euro USD is very well.
4 hour time frame is best.
Yeah, you you can take a trade with the 10, 12 pip stop loss with the target of 20, 22 pips with easily. Like if you just execute the trade and leave the trade, you know?
Or yeah, if this kind of close bearish like this, That is the best setup on the 15 minute time or on the 30-minute time frame. If this gonna close bullish, that will be the breakout on the
Yeah,
15-minute time frame, because for this candle to close bullish, this candle to came up and close above the range, and this is the breakout. So
yeah,
yeah, this is the best setup. It looks like 30 on the 30 minute. It looks like salary play, because we are coming up from yesterday, and previous daily is also bullish. So yeah, this can be your trade. And also spreads on euro USD is like point 0.1, like micro pip.
yeah, yeah.
Half of our money we pay in commissions and spreads on these pairs. So on euro
Yeah,
USD we are safe from this.
yeah, that's why I say that you need to be very accurate trading gold,
Yeah.
because if you lose, you will also give commission on and spread, and if you lose, it
Yeah,
will cut out your stop
yeah.
loss with commission and spread.
The one thing I like is I don't have to give like spreads and commission. Oh, I don't have to give commissions on gold
On where?
on 8 cap.
Oh,
You have, I think you have funding frontiers
no,
challenge.
no, no, no.
Your broker
Mine
is
is
you.
the funded trader,
All
and
right.
my
So,
broker is Think Market.
oh, I have the same broker on my. I think I have to go with a big risk now, because I have one more account. If I lose this, then I can switch to 10,000 10K account,
Yeah,
and I think I can grow that account better.
I've passed my two challenges, and I have one perspective. No, we wait like the whole week for our setup. Sometimes we don't trade 3 or 4 days in a row
Yeah.
just to get one setup. So when I get my setup, so
Yeah,
I want to
we
get
have to risk
everything. Yeah,
something.
we
So
have to risk
gold,
because it's a waste of our time.
hey brother, look at this. Gold also plays out on the 15-minute time frame without even a top wick on the onion play. Now you can
Yeah,
understand. Yeah, now this is up 10 pips minus spread after. All right, so 11 pips. Stop loss was 12 pips. It is
yeah,
almost near about 1 to 1. 11
yeah, yeah,
pips, 12 pips. Onion plays best, man. This is the setup I was looking for. I was just looking for this candle to came a little up, then break the
yeah,
low, so I can enter. Or and I will definitely enter in this trade if this candle has a top week, because I like this setup.
yeah. It was an onion in the fake out as well, if you see, no?
Yeah.
At the left hand side, it was a clear resistance, and the next in the previous 15 was
Oh,
bearish below.
we have a strong resistance there.
Yeah,
That was the first breakout there. It retest and then came down. So yeah, that
yeah,
was that was the one more area. So yeah, but the good thing is, because if we go to the 30-minute time frame, we have a support there, so we
yeah,
can take a sell after this kind of close. But
yeah, for sure.
and
Because this candle also don't have any top wick, and the previous 30 was heavy bullish, so that was concerning also, no?
uh, yeah, but you have to understand this, when we are in a trend. So on the 30-minute time frame, like this is onion play on the 15-minute time frame. So on the 30-minute time frame, it previous candle is strong bullish. Yeah, this is the thing. But I was anticipating this candle as a top wick of the 4-hour candle.
Yeah, yeah, that was also a good perspective.
Yesterday when I was on the stream, This candle closed right at the spot and closed bullish, and people were shouting, "Hey man, this is a buy. We are
Mhm.
bullish for the day. This is a buy. We have to take this." And I said this, "No man, this is just a 4 hour topic." And they said, "No, this is a buy." And because it looks good like this. This is the same setup. This is the
Yeah.
same setup. It create a resistance at the spot, at the resistance. It create a spot at the previous spot. But the thing is, on this time frame, the 4 hour was bearish. So I was anticipating that was a 4 hour candle open. So I was thinking like this candle has to close bullish so that I can take the trade on the next candle. So people, some, I think one or two people may take the buy there, but they took a stop loss. And why I took the trade on this candle, it did the same, but we were bearish. Now we were bearish. 4 hour was, another 4 hour was bearish. We create a low, we came to the resistance, create a resistance. So yeah. Do you wanna hear one good news?
Yeah.
Good news is GJ closed with no wick at the top, above the range. So if this candle close bearish, I think we can
Yeah.
take also a sell there.
Yeah. It's a heavy rejection zone as well.
If this candle came up, create, break the high one more time, then I'll go with a. I'm just, as I said before, I'm just testing US30. So that is why I don't risk. I just wanna execute on the US30 and see if it works for me or not. Other than that, I have nothing, because you know what, like if someone take the trade there after this candle, and he goes to sleep like I goes to sleep yesterday, and he has his stop loss there, and he go to the doctor in the evening after waking up, and then he came to home and go for playing game, and then he sleep in the night, and he just wake up and then he see his trade is running 842. So wait a minute, I just wanna invite link, copy invite and if he just came to the charts and he see his trade is running like 560, and his trade is running just 300 pips, nothing more, just 300 pips. The thing I have problem with the US30 is, I think, slippage. I don't wanna use sell stop there. Ali, look at this.
Yeah,
This kinda
everything.
closed with no wick at the top.
Yeah,
So this thing is coming down. So now people can understand why no top wick has a has the like probability to not working most of the time.
yeah.
So this is the
Profit
problem.
is very essential.
Yeah.
Well, my girls are saying to go and sell on gold, you know.
Yeah. What?
My girls are telling me to go short on gold
Let
with,
me
at the flip of the 4 hours. I don't
at
know
the
what to do.
4 hour. Let me see on the 30-minute time frame. If we keep our this kind of close below this range. How much is the stop loss? 20 pips.
Yeah. Or
Yeah,
maybe I should wait for another 30-minute candle to close below this range, and we
I
got a clean
think
candles on left hand side as
I
well.
think you know what the
Yeah.
thing I like about gold is to on the 30-minute time frame we can just or one thing. All right, so yeah, let me give you two plans. One is just wait for the candle to close below this range.
Yeah.
Just wait for this candle to close bullish there. If candle close bullish there, it means this can be the salary play for us.
Yeah.
Let's see what happens.
So let's see what happens.
Yeah.
I'm waiting at least 15 minutes. 4 hours about to flip. 1 hour is breaking the previous 1 hour low.
Yeah, 4 hours
30
still did not
minutes.
break its own low.
Yeah, 30 minutes. We have a quite a heavy rejection area there. So that rejection, that support just put me
Oh,
out of this trade. Yeah.
one. Yeah, this is the 1 hour sport, 30-minute time sport. This is tough,
Yeah.
man. This is tough. I'm not
Yeah.
looking for anything here because if we go to the 1 hour time frame, we can see this strong sport. So if we go to
Yeah.
the 30-minute time frame, same spot we have. So because there is a 50-50, if we go for this trade, then there will be a 50-50 probability. But
Yeah.
if we if we cannot close below and we go in this trade, then we have a 10 pip wick fill and clean range at least till this level. How much it is? This is a this is a 75, 77, 76. So uh, when we have good ranges, I think we should not rush the trades when we have
Yeah.
good ranges. Like if we have a 25 pip range there, then we can say that all right, so yeah, 25 pips range is there, so let me add 10 pip there. This is a 35 pip range, so yeah, I can go. But I think we have a very good range, so we can wait for that thing.
Yeah.
Maybe in I think now we can find two kind of setups. If the 30-minute candle close bearish and the next candle breaks the high, then we can go for a buy.
By the way, do you know about the daylight saving?
What?
Now London Open will be 1 hour ahead of its own time.
Yeah, just 50 minutes after the 50 minutes.
Yeah, now 1 1 p.m. will be London Open, and in these 11 o'clock. Now it's the pre-London, you know.
Yeah, yeah. 10
Daylight
o'clock is
saving have been
10
shifted.
o'clock is also pre-London.
Mhm.
Pre-London mean two 2 hours before the 2 hours before the London Open.
Yeah,
Pre
but now 1 p.m. is London Open instead of 12
No,
due to
no.
the daylight saving. Check out the Forex time converter.
Yeah, I see this. I think 2 3 months before they were saying that London Open is like two 2 months. Oh, London Open is at 1 p.m. but Eastern time. But I think it is no Eastern, no Pakistan time. I convert this. The thing is, but the thing is, as I think I took I read a tweet of Raja Banks and he was anticipating London Open at he was anticipating London Open at like 12 p.m. Pakistan time.
Yeah,
Yeah,
but at every year at this time at November, na?
yeah. This
Last year is as well. Daylight saving have been shifted, so like the days were 1 hour ahead of its own time.
yeah
So when I saw the forex times on converter, so I see there is a 1 p.m. in London Open and
yeah.
9 p.m.
I
London.
I remember
Yeah.
in the last year when Raja Banks used to stream like after like Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And at that time, Comet Comics Open was at like 6:20 p.m. Pakistan time. Now it is at 5:20. So
Yeah.
as long as we have a Comet Comics at 5:20, our London Open will be the same. When we have Comet Comics at like 6:30, it means now London time is also at like 1 p.m. And I think that can be the best because then I can sleep for 1 hour more. Like
Yeah.
I can easily wake up at 10 a.m. Pakistan time, just fresh myself a little bit and then came to the stream. That can be more amazing for me.
Yeah. But
Let's
the only
see.
concern for me is that we have load shedding at 1 p.m. So there
So
will be.
in which city you are living?
I'm in Quetta.
Oh yeah, man. Because holy, I have my two friends from Quetta. Not Quetta, they are near the Quetta. Can you tell me some cities that are near from the Quetta?
There's not any city over here. The Quetta is the capital. Quetta is the only
Yeah,
capital of
yeah, yeah,
Balochistan.
yeah.
There is.
They are living in
Mm,
the small city, and they are man best. I think the best people in my life because they have a very good heart. And whenever I was in the hostel in Lahore uh,
oh,
in November 2021, and I changed my room, and my hostel's uh, owner said to me, "Hey, go to any room. You can choose your room, whatever you want. You can see the people, how what kind of people are there." And I go to the room and I see them. They were like reading. So one is making his assignments, and one is I think reading the book. And I was like, man, people are people are studying in the hostels. And I said to me,
hmm,
and I asked them, hey, I wanna live here, so what you wanna say? They said, yeah man, came here, no problem. So I asked them, uh, in which class you are studying, and one said I am in a first year and one said I am in a second year, and I said them, yeah man, I I can teach you math in like first year or second year because I was a very good in maths, and they said yeah. Then we became friends, and first day I take some burgers for them, and I came to them and they said no, I don't need. I said hey man, just keep this. So after that we became friends, and one day I take them, and we go to like I show them Lahore, beauty of the Lahore, and they was like, I didn't even go to the Qazafi Stadium, and that was the beautiful time, and I was like, hey
Yeah.
man, just live with me. I'll give you too much. I'll give you the too much like exposure. So then we became friends. I take them to the hotel, some restaurants, and they were, and like this is like 2 years before.
Oh,
But for now, whenever we talk like for 1 hour, for 2 hours on the WhatsApp call. So this is the kind of friendship we have. So they
yeah,
always said, "Hey, came to our area, and we will give you the like." They I think they most of the time they made like goat in the tandoor. They roast the
yeah,
goat.
yeah.
They were like, "Man, just came to our area, we will give you that." And I was like, no man, I don't want to go to that area, this is not secure. And they always said, no no no, this is secure,
No,
very
no,
secure. And
it is secure.
they said, always said, uh, media is just propagate bad about
Yeah,
that area, but because they want to take all the minerals Quetta or Balochistan have. Because I know the the politician Quetta's or your all politician of the Quetta are all are corrupt. They are just
yeah, yeah,
taking the money from the government, and they just use it for their self. And they are not, because man, they don't even build a world class university that Quetta's people can take the study from there. I see whenever I
yeah,
go to the every city, I see people from the Balochistan, they are studying in Lahore, Karachi, Islamabad, even Bahawalpur,
yeah,
Multan, and I was like, man, what kind of politicians are there? So
yeah. We do not have such quality education over here, so the people
yeah,
often go to
let me
Islamabad,
just
Karachi, and Lahore.
yeah, man,
Yeah,
just wait a minute. Let me grab some water. So because
yeah, yeah,
I can't able to speak now.
yeah, for sure, for sure.
So now you can see now. So then I know that, man, they are like, this is not good because look at this. US30 5 pips move, then came up. What is, oh, this is why I was not uh, I was saying that don't take the trade there.
Yeah,
I think the best decision we have made, because you were looking for the trade there, and I said because it also break the law of the 4 hour candle.
yeah,
So I think, yeah, this is the thing. This is the thing in trading. We have to wait. So when we know this is the strong rejection, because 1 hour's rejection means a strong rejection, 30-minute rejection means a strong rejection. So I think we should not. And even though if you If this kind of close bullish, then we can take. I give you two plans. One, this kind of has to close bullish. Second, this kind of has to close below this range. But I think first plan is still very risky, kind of to close bullish, and I really want to take the trade below this level. Maybe. Oh man, it looks clean on the 30-minute time frame. On the 15-minute time frame, this is 16 pip range. So let's see how this kind of close. I think we have 10 minutes left.
Yeah, my only plan on gold is to sell, not to buy. I don't think I could buy anything
No, no,
in
no, no,
this
no, no,
range.
no.
It's a
There is
very
no
massive
bias.
range for me.
Where
Yeah,
are the buys? Look at this. We
yeah,
have this rejection,
yeah,
this. So buys are no. Yesterday, I think yesterday buys were, yeah, buys were also not clean on yesterday. Buys were, look at this. I had my potential buys above this level. So buys were not clean even on the yesterday.
yeah.
Man,
Sales would make sense
like
on gold.
if you took the trade there, if you would have took the trade there, if you keep your stop loss there, man, that is tough. So yeah, this is the decision. I think this is the thing. If you are sit with if I like this because like now we are two people on the stream and we are exchanging our anticipation for the trades, and
Yeah,
we can better we can get better on our decisions, like
yeah,
like if you were on the home, maybe you can take the trade there, or if I wasn't on the stream, maybe I take the trade this. I take. So on the live stream we have to be careful, we have to, because this we are like, people can question, hey, why you took this trade if we have no reason. If they said, man, why you didn't look at this strong level, and man, what we can answer, we have no answers. So this is the thing, I think. And if we want to take the trade on the 4 hour time frame, then we can, I think we can still take the trade on the 4 hour. We can keep our stop loss above this level, 41 pips. This kind of close
yeah,
below this, because if we want to take the trade on the 4 hour, we have to keep our stop loss on the 4 hour time frame.
yeah.
But yeah, what I was telling you about, I took the trade on the I took the trade on Euro USD on the 4 hour time frame, and my stop loss was
Mhm.
4.7 pips.
Yeah, yeah.
4.7 pips, man.
Yeah, yeah. Euro USD is often clean at 4 hour or daily. If you can read the chart well, Euro USD is a very good pair to trade
Oh wow,
on the
man.
swing.
I don't know what's
Maybe
going
high.
on there. Just going to break the high, break the low, again try to break the high. No, 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 no. This kind of did not. Oh wow, this kind of break the high, break the low. I don't know what's going on there. If someone took a sell there, he's in loss. If someone took a buy there, he take a stop loss. I don't know what Euro USD is doing. The thing I know is we didn't take the sell there. The only thing I know there is, and the second thing that I know is whenever candle close with no wick at the top, there is a high probability the next candle for the next candle to came down. So the one thing I also know, yeah, this candle did not break the high of this candle. So what should we do? Should we take the sell there, or should we wait for the support to form and then came up
On what?
on GJ?
I'm not interested on any sales, to be honest. If you if you want to take the sell, it's a very good idea
But this
to
is a
maybe,
strong rejection area.
yeah, it's a very strong rejection area.
Let's
But
see
I'm
if
waiting
this kind of
for,
close with a good bottom wick. If this kind of close with a
yeah,
good bottom wick, then I'll go for a sell. Other than that, I'm not looking for trade. Other than
yeah, it's
that,
a,
I'll wait for the spot to form and then came up.
yeah,
And gold. Let's see how this kind of close. If this is the 1 hour close, how is this kind of close? This kind of close, this like these two 30-minute candles make a 1 hour candle. These two 30-minute candles make another 1 hour candle. And that kind of close like a weak bearish. Then we can take a buy there for a 24 pip range. This is what looking for some structure to take a trade. But as
I,
but this
yeah,
this candle is the previous 1 hour candle, so that is why we can't take the trade for a buy, because
yeah,
if we go to the 1 hour time frame, this is a rejection. Maybe it is coming up for like, oh man, my head is like bombing. But we have to give our 100%, man. Let's see.
yeah.
Yeah, it is still coming down. I think it has to came up.
I think we should be cautious on GJ because when I remember the last time that Japan Bank of Japan monetary policy
Oh,
statement came out, yeah, the BOJ press conference was 11:30, and I was stuck on in it one trade over there, which just completely wiped
oh,
my stop loss out.
uh, you're talking about this? I think that was 11:30.
On GJ, I don't know
Yeah,
last time
that
when.
was after 11:30. That was the
Yeah.
yeah. Look at this. You're talking about this candle? Yeah, but
I don't know. I
all
guess
right.
it's
So the one thing is, if
yeah.
if we take a sell, so if Japanese, let me check the if the intervention their currency, I think that can hit our direct to the TP.
Yeah. And
So
today's in the Bank of Japan press conference is on tentative. It Forex factory.
it is
So I
at
rather be
10:30,
cautious.
or they don't have any time there. They
Yeah,
are
it's tentative. It means that it can be happened right
at
now or
any
maybe
time.
1 hour later
Yeah,
or yeah, or
it can
maybe two
happen
hours
at any
later.
time. Yeah, it can happen at
Yeah.
any time. Yeah.
Mm.
Tentative. Yeah.
Yeah, but when it happens, it brings a lot of volume on GJ and the uncertainty move together to go up or go down. That's why
Yeah.
I'd rather be cautious about DJ.
Yeah. All right. So, oh man. So, GJ. But I wanna take a little risk there.
Yeah, it's a very good idea.
Little
So,
risk.
yeah, and the
Because
candle is also closing with nice
30
closure.
minute. Let's see the body of the candle. The body of the candle is body of the candle is 6 pips. Wick of the candle is, oh, 7 pips. All right, so gold. Oh wow, look at US30, man. I think that was also a good idea. GJ is
Yeah.
closing with weak body. Oh wow, I think I should look for a buy.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at this. Wow. Oh,
And it closed at not of it.
I think, have there any press conference or is there any news?
I don't know, man.
Oh, this is the Euro news. After looking at the spread, I was like, man, what's going on? Why spreads are too much? So it make no sense for me to take a sell there. Like we have a 10 pip wick there, and we have only 2 3 pip body. We have three less than 3 pip body, and we have 10 pip wick there. So there is no sells. But if this candle just break its own low and then came up, that can be a buy for me. If this kind of came down,
Yeah.
because top bottom wick is very important, and our stop loss should be the same at 19 pips, but I'll go for a long in this to take the advantage of this range. But for now there is nothing. Oh
Yeah.
wow, man. The screen that I am trading on is a LCD, and I have one LED panel, and this is its result is good, and I can see like everything. I will change that LED monitor on my this computer on my streaming, and this is the LCD I'll change on another computer. And one more thing I have in front of me is my laptop. So I have three screens in front of me for now. I think GJ don't wanna make a bottom wick. Gold is coming now. Let's see how the numbers were. Numbers came negative. Negative, yeah. Yeah, just came down to create a bottom wick. No, this is not my trade if it has no bottom wick. Ho ho ho! Wow, GJ came down. GJ is not even trying to create a bottom wick.
Yeah.
Wow, that can be,
Yeah, it broke the high.
man, that can be the move.
Yeah.
This is a 40 pip, almost 39 40 pip range there. So yeah, I think that was a bottom wick. That was a bottom wick. Let me go to the trading view. Let me see what's going on the trading view. I think that can be a bottom wick on the trading view. No, we have no bottom wick on the trading view. Yeah, we have no bottom wick on the trading view. Oh wow, man, no bottom wick on the trading view. So, but yeah, so gold is pushing now. I think this candle has to close below this level.
Yeah, GG is also pushing up very hard.
Man, GJ was a trade, but man, GJ was a 10 pip trade. Wow. Look at this. We didn't took the trade. That this is what I was looking for. But
Yeah.
I don't know why it didn't give me a bottom wick. I think that was a bottom wick. So yeah, but no problem, man. This thing will happen thousands of times.
Yeah.
So you know what? That was the banana play, man. 7 p.m. yesterday. That was the trade. Whenever we want to take a counter trade, we have to wait for the support to form and break off the support. We want to
Yeah.
take the counter trade. This candle create a support. This candle break the support, and oh man, 70 pip move in just 15-minute time frame. So GJ gives beautiful 10 pip move there.
Yeah. No,
But
that was the news, I guess.
no, that was a Euro news, and Euro news were negative. So negative
You.
Euro negative news mean it has to go down.
Yeah.
So I think Euro news didn't affect anything. Look at this. If someone take a sell there, buy there, and got stopped out in like 3.5 pips, 3.5 pips, and if he give his trade a second chance, and if he caught like 10 pips or 9 pips there, or even 7 pips, he take 1-to-1 risk reward on that trade, and he also break even on the previous trade because he caught 7 pips. 7 pips mean he previous if he minus the previous 7 pips. That was, I think, good trade, Hannah.
Yeah.
Because yeah, I know news push this, but it is not about news. It is about the structure that I talked before. And but GJ trade was good. Now we can keep our stop loss at this point. And the one thing I learned yesterday, and I was uh, reading the charts, I see the charts, and one thing I know is whenever we move our stop loss to break even, most of the time it hit our stop loss and then go up.
Yeah.
Because like if someone take a buy there on this candle, and if he has a 2 pip spread, he took a trade there, and he just stopped out at break even, and this thing go up. If someone take a buy there, he just stopped out at break even. So I think we should not move our stop loss to break even. We just move our stop loss to like below the previous candle or below the current candle, like this. This is the current candle. We can keep our stop loss on below this candle.
Yeah.
Close something at like 10 pips. Your stop loss is 10 pips. It means if it hit your stop loss, you'll be at break even, and no problem. No problem to be at a break even. But the thing is, but what if it stop you at break even and then go for another like 30-80 pips? That is, I think, not good. I think I got some messages on. I
No,
have,
that's painful.
yeah.
That will be painful, I guess.
What is this? I don't know where the sounds come from. But I'll change my LED panel today, man. It when I look at my LED panel, it shows like extremely good views, when I see at my LCD
No.
panel, it is good, but like LED panel give me an extra, some extra. Maybe because of the LED resolution, we have something more on the stream. Like, and now I think we have this area, and we can have some more area on the stream after changing the panel because of the changing in the resolution. I think gold don't want to give us anything, and I don't want to take from gold anything as long as it is above this range. For me, my potential sells are closure below. Yeah, if the 1 hour candle close below this level, then because this is a 1 hour area,
Yeah.
if the 1 hour candle close below this level, then I can take I can't take even I can't even take the trade on the 30-minute time frame below this level. I need 30-minute candle to close below this level, or this candle to came up all the way up to this level, create a spot on the 30-minute, and look at this. I think that trade can be the, oh man, that can be the 15, 16, 17 pip trade. It means onion play works. Onion play works on like every time frame in any kind of situation, but it has to be in the direction of the 4 hour or in the direction of the trend. Like we are coming down, we came up, we came down.
Yeah.
I think it after that it also did not hit the break even. Yeah, it didn't hit the break even. But the thing is, we are just looking at this. I think this is the second time we look at this. We look this kind of structure. And you know what? My second plan for the GJ,
No.
if this 30-minute candle close bearish or close bullish, but below this
Uh,
level, I'll go for a sell, and that will be this kind of entry. And we also take the liquidity. It means if we reject from this area, it means there is a high probability we will go down because we reject from this area.
yeah.
That that
That's a
that
good
can be the
idea.
best trade. That can, and we can correct the whole move. We can correct the whole move.
Mm.
And also that will be a London Open. London Open will gives us some volume, and yeah, US30 is, I don't know what it's doing. Oh ho ho man. GJ, what are you doing here? And if the next candle close bearish above the range, oh, I think this candle is not trying to close above the range. So if this candle close strong bullish and the next candle close weak bearish, then I'll go for a buy. Now I have plan in both directions for the GJ.
Maybe this candle will close below the range. I guess this film should.
All right, so we have 1 minute left for the candle to close. We have only 1 minute left for the candle to close. Candle close. Alright, candle close above the range. So let's see where the next candle close. Oh wow, this candle close like this. Just wow. I can just say wow. No, nothing. I don't know, man, what's going on with me. But the thing I know is we have to wait for the setup. Guys, please leave a like on the stream. Please, 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 please. Leave a like on the stream. That would be amazing. I like likes. I like likes. So, yeah. I like likes. So, yeah. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comments section. Yeah, you can ask me at any time, at any question. I'm here for you. I'm sick, but I'm still here for you. Yeah, I can give any I can give the answer of any question whatever you wanna ask me about trading. Yeah, just about trading. Other than that, I have no answer. Let's see where this kind of close. Yeah. Let's see where this gonna close, because this gonna close right at the spot. If this gonna came so yeah, the thing is, I think we have to wait for like at least 12 minutes. At least 12 minutes. We can wait for 12 minutes. US30 is pumping, man. Wow. So let's see what happened. Let's see what happened. Do we have any trade? No, we have no trade. Eleven minutes left. 11. So let's see what happened in the next 11 minutes. I'm sick, but I'm still on the stream. So please, please, please leave a like and and If you have any question, you can ask me. I'll tell you every question, man. Yeah, I'm happy to tell you. I'm happy. I'm happy to give you the answers of your question. If you have any confusion in trading, man, this channel is for you. This is for you. You just have to. So we have 5 people on the stream, and I have one thing for all of the 5 people. So this is. All right, so we have clapping for you, man. Wow, this is. Look at this. Wow. Let's see how this gonna close. Let's see. I think we may have a trade in the next. Gold is pumping up and GJ is pumping down. Man, who took the trade on Euro USD? Just tell me. Who took the trade on Euro USD? Hey Trigger, did you took that trade? If you took that trade, just leave a W in the comments. If you took this trade. And if we look at the 1 hour time frame, I think 1 hour is good with the. Oh, we have 7 pips stop loss on the 1 hour time frame, man. Yeah, we can. 6 pips, 7 pips. Oh wow, this this can be the trade. Oh wow. So yeah, everything looks good, but the likes on the stream are not looks good. Just leave a like on the stream and let's see how this gonna close. Oh wow, Euro USD. I think it can easily go to this level for 11 pips. How the fuck? Oh, wow. So yeah, what I'll wait for this candle to touch, for the next candle to retest this area, create a top wick, came down. I'll have my stop loss like 20, yeah, 23 pips, and because of that kind of stop loss, I think we should go with a lower risk. 1 hour, yeah man, no structure on the gold for now, but maybe we can get some structure. But for now gold is doing nothing, but GJ may give us something, man. I think I think that was the best trade. Oh man. I'm sick, man, I'm sick. So I don't know, but I'm sick. We have 6 minutes left for this candle to close. So have to wait for so let me see. So let's see. यार दवाई तो कर ली है लेकिन फर्क कोई नहीं पै रहा. So guys, let's see how we can take the trade on any pair. Let's see how we can find the trade. So but today is tough, man. Today is tough. But we have to be careful. Yeah. We have to be careful. We have to be careful. We have to look at what we have. In the next 3 minutes we may have one position there. Let's see how it works. So I have three people on the stream. चलें सही है, मैं आपको न्यू लिंक सेंड करता हूँ, फिर आप वो ज्वाइन करना ताकि वो 1 घंटा सर्वाइव भी कर जाए. So let's see. We have to look. We have 2 minutes left. 2 minutes left. Can you wait 2 minutes? Yes, I can, but I'm talking just about you. I have a patience. So let's see where this candle close. This candle has to close bearish. Yeah, this 1 hour candle has to close bearish. Yeah, I want this 1 hour candle to close bearish. Oh wow, oh wow, wow, wow. Let's see if it came up. Alright. Ali,
Hello,
yeah, are you looking for cells there?
DJ?
Yeah,
No, man.
so I have a cell stop there.
Yeah, it's a good idea. I would wait for a 15 minute to close below this range. Then I maybe
I
will be
think I
interested.
should market execute. I
Yeah,
should
yeah,
I should because most of the time it slipped
yeah. Jesus slips hard on these
on
funded.
on every funded company.
Yeah. I sometimes miss the move due to these problems, you know?
What kind of problems?
The slippage problem. I have two accounts,
Yeah,
one in
yeah, yeah.
Dominion Markets and one in funded company.
I think Dominion
So,
markets should be good, but the spreads on the Dominion markets are crazy.
yeah, trades are sometimes high, but the execution is right on point.
Execution is man good because recently they have won the fast execution award on Expo on Dubai.
Yeah. But when I thought of this, I realized sometime later that I should have opened my account on IC Market.
Oh man, IC
Market,
market is the
yeah,
best. The
yeah, they
best.
have a huge
They
liquidity.
have the best liquidity, they have the best execution, they have the lowest spreads.
Yeah,
They have everything whatever a trader want.
yeah.
Yeah, they have everything, man.
So I opened my account on Dominion Market. Then when I heard about the IC Market, then I was like, just leave it.
But the
When I
but the
bought
but the
when I bought this
problem
account, then I
but
will.
the problem with the IC market is you can't uh, put your money through crypto.
Oh,
Yeah, you have to have an Skrill account, and you can open an account on IC markets. You have to give them like I think what we say that passport. No, what we say that
oh,
that we need for the jobs or like that.
yeah, KYC,
No,
etc.
thing. Yeah, because 3 years before people use that for applying the jobs.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So
Did you win?
I don't know what we call that. Oh,
Yeah,
yeah,
it's,
my friend is calling me, but he don't know I'm on stream.
yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
420.
Gold is moving up without giving in a bottom wick.
Yeah, the thing is, I was
Yeah,
looking at
I see.
this can be the move, but that wasn't our move. There was nothing. We have this rejection there. Now GJ is good now because it break the high one more time. GJ is
Yeah.
good. Good. It break the high one more time. So yeah, it break the high one more time. So now it should be good. Let me check this on my laptop. 519521. Yeah, it did break the high. Yeah, if it grab the liquidity first, man, that would be more amazing.
Yeah.
And now,
Broke the low, broke the high. And we break the low, it's a very high chance that it will drive
yeah, if it
your
if it
direction.
break the high of this kind and then break the low of this kind, it means it activate the buyers, fuck them, and then Now it wanna activate the sellers. Maybe it wanna fuck them too.
Yeah.
But yeah, but but the thing is, on the 30-minute time frame, this is the thing I always said. If you wanna take the counter trend trade, you can't take the trade on the first candle, bearish candle. Just wait for the
Yeah.
second candle to you'll now, because what most of the people do, they just wait for the resistance to form, take a sell in an uptrend. But we
Yeah.
have to wait for the support to form, and break of the support will be our entry, and that high will be my stop loss. And let me see how much that will be the risk. I'll stop. If I keep my stop loss 182.560. Oh, 182.660. Yeah, this is good. No problem. So what is the high of this candle? 625. So 640, no, 645. So yeah, this is a $30 stop loss. Now I think, what is the low of this candle? Now I have my sell stop there. But I really don't want to sleep on this position, so that is why. But if this 15-minute candle close above the range, then this trade is not valid. This trade will be not valid. And also one thing is, we have a resistance on the 1 hour time frame, like this. This is the trade I was talking about yesterday. We have a resistance on the 1 hour time frame. Same thing, we have a resistance on the 1 hour time frame. We have bullish candle on the 30-minute time frame. We have bullish candle on the 30-minute time frame. Yeah, sell stop. But if I wanna take a buy, I don't use buy stop at all, because sometimes spreads got more, sometimes spreads came down. But for sales, because spreads, when we wanna take the position, spreads plays their role when we wanna take the close the position. So I think this is good. We take the liquidity now. It has to came down. And if this 15-minute candle close below the range and close bullish, that will be an extra confirmation.
Yeah.
Or maybe, yeah, now this is good. If I if I lose this trade, I don't care. But yeah, now I have my sell stop there. Because we have to take some risk, man.
Yeah. This is the game of risk.
Yeah, pure game of risk.
Yeah.
So let's see. Let's see if it break the low. Let's see if we got activated. Should I keep the sell stop or market execution?
Your wish, bro. I guess DJ slips hard on sell stop.
Oh, all right. So yeah, I got activated. I was just I just click my mouse and it activated me, and I was like, oh man, don't close this trade. Because that like I have to pay the commission on that trade, and I also have to pay the spreads on that trade. This is
Yeah.
man, don't close me. And
Yeah.
also it didn't slip me at all. So
Yeah, yeah.
oh
It was a
wow,
clean execution.
yeah, gold is rejecting from this area. So as long as the candles are printing bearish, we are good.
Yeah.
Or as long as the candles are below this range, we are good in both scenarios. So let's see how this works out. If it works out good, it would be amazing. If it storm me out, I think that will be the call it a day or call it a session. I think gold is doing the same thing that it did here. 15-minute candle is about to close. It closed like this. Next candle will break the low and came down. Man, my throat is like burning. Alright, so yeah, everything looks good. Gold is good. Oh, ooh, wow, 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 wow. So let's see how this 15-minute candle close. GJ, 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 GJ. Also, we can range there because of the press conference, but yeah, but for
Press
now,
conference is happening right now.
yeah,
Yeah. See, 11:40. Just press conference just did happen. Now we are waiting for the move that we're going to happen here.
let me
11:30,
see what they said.
11:30, 11:45. It just happened.
Uh, oh wow, yeah, we have no press conference there.
Yeah.
Yeah, 11:40. So let me see what they said there. Acha, what UIDA said. UIDA said could affect price if it impairs price outlook and contains speculate moves in market with flexible market. Oh wow, 15-minute is closing bullish. If this kind of close bullish, I think I may close half there. Or if this candle close bearish, I'll keep this trade run.
Yeah.
So BOJ's governor, we consider FX as a part of potential side effect. Pre-crisis before side effect increase. Yeah, so this is good. This candle has to close bearish. We have 17 or 15 or 10 or 12 seconds left. So I am looking on the 15-minute time frame. this kind of close bullish. Wow. If this kind of came down for the bottom wick, I'll close half. Yeah, I think this is the range now. This is the range now. So
The 15 close bearish
15 close bearish on your broker.
on trading view with bearish.
Yeah. No, it closed bullish.
On trading view?
Actually, I am looking at the 8 cap, so yeah, let me check on another.
Um, so I look on the Wanda.
Wanda, let me look at on the Dominion markets.
Dominion is also bearish. See now it's going down.
Oh wow! But let me see how it looks like on the. So I'm closing. Oh wow! What the hell is this? I was closing half there. Yeah. Where is Dominion market? Let me see what's going on the Dominion market. GJ. It closed. How it closed? Yeah, it closed bearish, man. I don't know why it closed bullish on my broker. 8 cap.
Yeah. So you
Yeah,
closed half?
yeah, I close half there.
So
Let me see on the funding frontier. Think markets. It closed. I don't know how it closed. Yeah, just tell me about think markets.
Think market it closed bullish.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, on some brokers it closed bearish. So man, this is the problem. So that is happening with the oh that is happening with the brokers, different brokers. Oh, my think markets is not even login. I don't know why.
Now let us recap. What can we do at this session? I guess we can't do anything.
Yeah, for us, I don't think so. There is anything.
Yeah, there wasn't any move for us.
I think I should end the stream now if it works out. Because I'll let this trade run.
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, I am ending this stream for now. So let me see if is there any comment so I can reply that. Yeah, no comment there. So yeah, I am ending the stream. So we'll back tomorrow. Maybe got well till tomorrow. So yeah. So this is my like end overlay.
Yeah.
Going to the right, thought I'm saying your name, but so far from it. Cause see the blood in my veins, for me he bleeding the same. Take this covenant, this is the greatest exchange. At his altar there's a flame that burns your rubbish. Gave me a cup full of rain, poured it over every stain until he come. This is like that. I ain't music just for fun. Glory to your name, Father. I pray that you'll keep them dumb. And when it's on my lips, I say, thank you with the run. Make my heart beat more like cancer. I say it and it's done. Breakthrough. Lord Jesus, I breakthrough. I've been doing things to make it fall. I have to break you. Living in my shame, I have to fall. I didn't shake you. But I have waited in this from the water that didn't wake you. The water that didn't wake you. And that cross couldn't break you. Yeah, that darkness couldn't take you. Oh yeah. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Sweet to your heart. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Sweet to your heart. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your